5th class, this is page 134, question 3. Jenny spent 1/3 of her €120 on a skateboard and 50% of what was left on knee pads. How much did she spend altogether? Okay, so she had €120 and she spent 1/3 on the knee pads. So I need to find 1/3 of 120. So I'm going to divide 120 by 3. 3 into 1 won't go. 3 into 12 is 4. So €40 is how much she spent on the skateboard. So from her 120, she spent 40 on the skateboard, which means that she had 80 left. Then she spent 50% of that on her knee pads. 50% is a half. So if I divide 80 by 2, I get 40. So she also spent €40 on knee pads, which means altogether she spent €80.